In this video, we're going to learn that how to create a sale invoice in Sage 50. In the previous videos, we create a quote and we convert a quotation of the quote into a sale order, and now we need to convert a sale order into a sale invoice. So let's see how we're going to do this in Sage 50. I want to check the sale order which we created. We can check it from the reports. In the reports we have account receivables. In the account receivables, that is that sale order journal. You can check the sale order register also. Double click. So this is our sale order number, that is 140 on this date, and the status is still open, and for the customer that is carry forward, and the total amount of sale order that is 77,300. I can also check it, the sale order. Click on the task, and that is quotes and sale orders. Click here, sale orders. You can use these arrow keys to check the previous records. So our sale order number is 140, or you can also click on this list, and here we have our sale order. The sale order number is 140 and the total amount of sale order is 77,300 for the customer carry forward. So I want to convert this sale order into a sale invoice now. So click on the task. Here we have this sale invoicing. You need to select the customer ID first, that is carry forward. That is the invoice date. I am issuing this invoice today, and that is the terms and condition that the net days is 30. You can give the invoice reference number or the invoice number. So let's suppose it is AUG/001. That is invoice reference number. And then we have this option drop ship, not applicable right now. Then we have this apply to sale order or apply to sale. If there is a cash sale, then you need to select this option, apply to sales. But we have an open sale order, so I'm gonna apply this invoice. I'm gonna convert this invoice into a convert the sale order into a sale invoice. So I'm gonna apply to sale order number, and our sale order number is 140. So when you select this option, automatically the whole sale order convert into an invoice. So these are the item IDs, that is the remaining, and how many quantity you're gonna ship, you're gonna invoice. So if you select ship and select all, if you're sending a full invoice, then you need to select all. But if you're sending a partial order or the partial items, they are ordered 20 but we're gonna deliver them 15, then you need to write here manually. But assume it that we are sending them the complete order, so we need to make a complete invoice. So select ship and select all. That is a unit price and that is a total amount. If you're charging the freight, you can mention here the freight charges, and the total invoice is 77,300. And this is a customer account information. Balance is 0 right now. The credit limit is 20,000 and the status is notify over limit. So obviously when I'm gonna save this one, it will give us this message that our credit limit, this invoice total, is more than the credit limit. And if they pay any amount at the sale, you can click this option. So right now we are not doing this one, so click on this option to save or to post this invoice. But when you are working in a live environment, if you click this option print, it will print and also save the invoice. So click here and it gives us this message that transaction will cause the customer balance to go over the credit limit by 57,300 because the 20,000 that was our credit limit. Do you want to continue? So click yes. So that is how you convert a sale order into a sale invoice. And if you want to check the reports, I want to check the customer ledger balance. So click on the reports and form, account receivables, and here we have this option, customer ledgers, because I want to check the ledger report of carry forward, that how much is the receivable balance. So double click on option because I don't want to see the others. Click on option for this period in the customer ID. You can give the range also, but right now we have only one. So we're gonna select the carry forward, press OK. So this is the customer ID. The invoice date is 10th of August. That is a reference number, the transaction number. S date, that is a document type, that is a voucher type, that is sales journal, and that is a debited amount 77,300, and this is a receivable balance to Burhan Electronics LLC. So this is how you convert a sale order into a sale invoice, and this is how we're going to check the reports of the customer in Sage 50.